Ishiga's Delight. Today I'm going to make easy and tasty cabbage ball fry. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cabbage into a mixer. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion. 2 tablespoons of ground coconut. 1 spoon of cabbage now. Later we will mix it with the other cabbage. Grind this into a paste. Do not use water. It's grinded into a paste without adding water. I'm going to add this into 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage. Again add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of besan flour, and add some curry leaves. Make sure you tear it before adding it. Mix it well. Mixing it, make it into small balls and fry it in the oil. If you feel that it's too watery, you can add some more besan flour. You can also add an egg as a binding agent. I'm making this as a vegetarian dish, so I'm avoiding the egg. Make it into a small ball and fry it. I made the balls like this. Make sure to make it as a small ball so that it can be fried easily. It's time to fry. Mom, I need your help. The oil is hot. My mom is frying it. My stomach is grumbling. Cabbage ball fry is ready, which is called Kola urundai in Tamil. I'm going to taste it. Actually, did you see that I arranged it like a letter S, the starting of my name? I'm going to taste one. It's almost the same as the mutton Kola urundai. This recipe at home, please encourage me by likes, comments, and subscriptions. Thank you for watching. Bye!